Good morning. I'm here in Northeast Iceland at the Stórurð trailhead. I highly doubt I'm saying that right, but here's a quick look at it. It's gorgeous. We got some clouds in the sky. We'll see what it's like up there because I think that's kind of where I'm going. I don't really know for sure.
We're Jenna and Jeremy, travelers, creators, and digital nomads.
As part of an exciting freelance gig, we spent 3 months in the stunning country of Iceland.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of this incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and you can also find us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff.
It's about a 7.1 mile trail, about 2,000 feet of elevation gain. I'm not bringing the GoPro because I'm bringing the drone and the camera. Here we go.
Hey guys, good morning. Oh my gosh, it's such a beautiful trail, a beautiful day to be out. Wow, look at you. Oh, you guys are scared. You and your tutu. Just out here, chilling, eating your grass.
Thank you all so much for watching. Some spectacular places that I'm so thankful to have explored. Please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more travel videos. See ya.